Welcome to the AI Mandate. What if tomorrow's most valuable technologists aren't just developers, but the testers leading the charge into an AI-powered future? In today's AI era, the boundary between developer and tester is fading fast. Understanding this shift isn't just useful, it's essential if you want to stay ahead. Top global CEOs, from IBM to Salesforce, are now demanding their teams leverage AI, replacing new hires with smart tools. The message is clear: adapt, or get left behind. Meet Fintest Pro, a browser extension and thriving community, built by testers, for testers, to thrive in this new world. Here, constant learning and sharing drives progress. Gone are the days of tedious, manual testing. Automation, AI, and domain expertise are revolutionizing QA and development, if you know how to use them. Imagine creating complex test cases in minutes with tools like Fintest. Artificial intelligence not only accelerates your workflow, but can improve accuracy, if you ask the right questions. It's never been easier, or more necessary, for new testers to adopt new tools. Curiosity and a growth mindset are your best assets in the AI era. Ready to level up? Join the Fintest community. Share, discuss, and grow with people charting the same path as you. Testing tools evolve every year, from Selenium scripts to AI-powered test generation. Are you keeping up with the cutting edge? The industry is responding. Demand for testers who understand AI is skyrocketing. Higher salaries, new roles, and exciting opportunities are waiting for those ready to skill up. So, what will your role look like next year? Will all testers need to code? Is manual QA becoming obsolete? How will AI transform the workflow, and where do you fit in? Don't wait for change. Lead it. Train, experiment, and partner closely with developers. The teams that collaborate and integrate AI smartly will define our future. Now is the time to embrace the future. Together, testers and developers who harness artificial intelligence will not only survive, they'll thrive in a new era of software innovation. Thank you for joining us. What questions do you have as we shape the next evolution in testing? Remember, innovation starts with curiosity and community.